In this video, we will be looking at how to add fractions or adding rational numbers. A fraction is just a part of a whole number. A whole number is 1. A fraction is just a part of a whole. So we will look at how to add fractions. Like, what is the answer for 1/4 plus 1/7, 1/2 plus 1/3, 1/2 plus 1/5, and 2/5 plus 1/3? What are those? What are the answers to those questions? What comes to mind? What do you think of doing when you see these fractions, adding them? One common thing to do, or what might comes to your mind, is just to add the top ones in the bottoms. So you're adding the numerators and the denominators. So you could say that 1/4 plus 1/7 is just 1 plus 1 over 4 plus 7, which gets you 2 over 11. With this idea, 1/3 plus 1/2 equals 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 3, which is equals to 2 over 5. And 1/2 plus 1/5 is just equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 5, which is just equal to 2 over 7. And then 2/5 plus 1/3, if you're doing it this way, is 2 plus 1 over 5 plus 3, which is equal to 3 over 8. Is this correct? Is this the right way to add fractions? The answer is no. I'll show you why. You can associate the fractions with a pizza. You know pizzas, you slice them into smaller pieces depending on how many people you want to partition it into. You could have a pizza, you slice it into halves, into 2 pieces, so half. So you can give one slice of pizza to 2 people. Or you can slice your pizza into three equal pieces so that you can give 1 slice to 3 people. So adding fractions, you can associate it with adding pizzas. So how do you add pizza slices? You just stick them next to each other and see what they make. So for instance, the pizza slice that you get from slicing a pizza into 2 pieces is just half of the pizza. So our fraction 1/2, we represented by half of the slice of pizza. And the pizza slice that you get from slicing a pizza into 3 equal pieces is just 1/3 of a pizza. So our fraction of the pizza is 1 over 3, 1/3. So if we add a pizza that's sliced into 2 equal pieces, if we add the half slice, and if we add the third slice, doing it in this previous method shows us that our slice should be 2/5. 1/2 plus 1/3, it should be equal to 2/5 if this way that we were previously doing it is correct. And 2/5 looks like this. You slice a pizza into 5 pieces, 5 equal pieces, and you shade in 2 of the equal pieces. So in this gives you this picture. But let's see if it's actually equal. So 1/2, it's not equal. 1/2 plus 1/3 is not equal to 1/5. Because if we look at this pizza sliced, the half slice plus this 1/3 slice, if we stick them next to each other, if we glue them together, we get this picture, which is way smaller than the 2/5 that we had before. Then what is it? What is 1/2 plus 1/3? Let us look at this picture then. I think it's 5/6 of a pizza. It kind of looks like 5/6 of a pizza, or 5 slices of a pizza cut into 6 pieces. So if we cut a pizza, this one, into 6 equal pieces, and we shade in five slices, or we glue in 5 slices next to each other, we get this picture. We shade this in, we get this picture. This looks a lot like this picture that we had here. And if you were doing it more exact with a compass and a ruler, you would see that the images, the pictures are exactly the same. So gluing in a 1/3 slice of pizza, a one half slice of pizza and a 1/3 slice of pizza gets you this picture. It's just equal to a 5/6 slice of pizza. So 5 slices of pizzas glued together from a pizza that's cut into 6 equal pieces. So, and how did I know to look at this picture? I knew to look at this picture of a pizza cut into 6 equal pieces because the way you add fractions for this one, if you have 1/2 and you're adding it to 1/3, you don't add 1 plus 1, so the numerators, and over 2 plus 3 for the denominator. First, you have to make them have equal denominators. So you have to change 1/2 into a fraction that has an equal denominator as 1/3, or a multiple of 1/3. So you transform both fractions into a different fraction that have equal denominators, but they're equivalent. So how do you do that? Remember that you can multiply anything by 1, you would still get the same answer. So like any number, like 5 times 1 equals to 5. It's the same for fractions. If you wanted to multiply this fraction by 1 and this fraction by 1, you would still have 1/2 plus 1/3. Your answers would still be the same. But remember also that any whole number like 5 over 5 any whole number over itself is just equal to 1. So we use the same idea to change the fractions 1/2 plus 1/3 into fractions with equal denominators. So we multiply 1/2 by 3 over 3. We multiply the top by 3 and the bottom by 3 to get 3 over 6. And we multiply 1/3 by the top by the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2 to get 2 over 6. Why did I choose to multiply 1/2 by 3? And why did I choose to multiply 1/3 by 2? Both the numerators and the